Mila lived in a village on the edge of a dense forest. Cheerful and curious, she loved her grandmother's stories. Her grandmother spoke of the magical drop, water with magical powers. The drop appears once every 100 years. One night, Mila decided to seek the drop. She took a lantern, wrapped herself in a cloak, and set off into the forest. The forest was quiet. Every shadow danced in the moonlight. As she walked, she came across an owl perched on a high branch. "Are you searching for the magical drop?" the owl asked. "Yes, it fulfills the deepest wish," Mila replied. "Only those with pure hearts can find it," the owl said. The owl pointed the way to a narrow path. Mila arrived at a lake that sparkled. On a lily pad, the drop shimmered. "What is your wish?" the drop asked. "I want a village filled with food and joy," Mila said. The drop glowed. Light filled the forest. Ripe fruits grew from the earth. A stream brought clear water to the village. Mila returned, and the village celebrated the fertile land. Mila kept the secret. The forest guarded it. A heart filled with kindness creates magic. Mila became the heroine of the village and the forest.